Building your own PC can be a thrilling journey. Start by preparing the box, then carefully install the motherboard, CPU, RAM, and storage unit. Secure the power supply and connect all necessary cables. Don't forget the graphics card if needed. Manage those cables for optimal airflow. Double-check your connections, power it up, and voila! Time for the operating system installation and driver setup. Remember, follow the user guides, watch out for static electricity, and seek help online if needed. Get ready to enjoy your